how to recover WhatsApp account. The first of all, open the WhatsApp on your phone. If you are not already on login screen, tap on logouts to go there. Now, after that, tap forgot password. So on the login screen, look for the forgot password option, tap on it to start the recovery process. Now enter your email address, type the email address you use to sign up for the WhatsApp, make sure it is the correct one, then tap send reset link. Now check your email. So open your email inbox and look for message from the WhatsApp. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Now reset your password. So inside the email, tap on the link to reset your password, choose a new password that you can remember, and you confirm it. Now log in with new password. So go back to the WhatsApp and log in with your new password. Your account should now be accessible again. Finally, contact support if needed. So if you are still having trouble and you can't restart or resort your account, contact WhatsApp support. They can help you recover or to recover your account. And this is how to recover WhatsApp account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.